half-sisters a year before filing of candidacy. So, yung huli kong work as artista was half-sisters. Now, ako lang naman, diskarte ko lang yung wala mo ng showbiz, desk work, tapos ng masteral, legislation, mambabatas, charot! Charot, diba? Although, ano yun, it was my choice to run my office, to manage it, walang alter ego, walang chief of staff. I prepared everything, departmentalized my office as city councilor. So ako nagpatakbo ng lahat. So every now and then, Provinciano would call, GMA would call, I had to decline. So ang point ko lang, I had to be present in every flag ceremony, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. type of work. Desk work lang, walang workout, walang gym, obvious ba? Obvious ba? So, very, very fulfilling. Although I miss showbiz every day. I miss the craft. I miss yung the world of make-believe.
Ano po magpapabalik sa inyo sa showbiz? I mean, anong project yung tatanggapin nyo kahit short lang para lang makita ulit kayo acting?
I did a stint of 4 or 5 episodes for Call My Manager. Balitaan nyo nga ako nung
Later this year daw.
Later this year, nice. So I played a bandido. Ang dami kong peg eh. Parang Al Pacino, salbahe. Robert De Niro, salbahe. Masaya. So, ano siya, it was a very powerful character, very powerful man, politician. Ano talaga, medyo demonito. So, it was fun. So, meron akong isang ganyan na warm up. I'm looking at, I'm actually more excited with production, producing, warm up, ganyan. Yung pag-artista, I'd rather do it physically prepared. If you notice, yung kulay ng buhok ko, aluminum ang hair, a few wrinkles here and there, weight. So I have to address a few issues with my physique.
When will we get to see that?
I don't know how my body would react. I wanted to join the recent bench fashion show. Kaya lang, isip pa lang. Hindi pa ready yung katawan.
In-invite ka ba nila?
Yes, I was really invited. So, nabigyan naman kami ng mga ticket. Exciting. Goma is always there. We're doing our own fashion show here in Nocatan. So, sometime Burmans. We're launching a new one. So, I would love Bench to be part of it also. So, sariling production na lang.
Yan, dali naman magpakulay lang hair. Ayaw mo magpakulay.
Mahirap magpapayat.
Yes. Ilan ba ang dapat bawasin?
Diyan naman si Celeste.
Pero John,
Diyan naman si
nag-umpisa ka
Celeste
na ba?
Tubiera kahit anong kulay ng buhok.
Ilan ang dapat
na
bawasin sa
magpapayat?
Takot akong magtimba. Galitan ako ng doktor ko. Awa ng Diyos, wala naman ako mga maintenance pa.
Wow.
Oo, bata ka pa eh.
Although, yeah, syempre, I'm half a century old. I'm half a century old, so yung ano lang, syempre, I feel meron ako mga nararamdaman. So together with yung preparation pag-artista, yung I think I still have a few good years to compete compete as a race car driver, so sabay yan. So merong body preparations, body and mind and soul. So, syempre, karera. So, artista, same lang. Sabay
Kailan ka
lang.
nag-50, John?
Turning 50 August.
August. Wala kami, yun ang sabi mo.
Wala pa, walang job.
Check ka pa?
I take yeah,
Okay.
I take ginseng, I take all these vitamins. I have an eye condition, I take stem cells for it.
Stem cell.
I take stem cell treatment for my eyes. Abby is preparing stem cell treatments for me too. So okay. Awan ng Diyos. Praise the Lord.
Pero John, you will not be in politics in the coming elections, right?
No, not as a candidate.
Yes.
I'll be there as a supporter. After this midterm election, I'm planning on mag-a-apply for appointments on a national level. I'm ready for any position. Come 2028, we'll see what I can do to contribute. Basic naman lagi ang aking advocacy at saka platforms. Number one, it's always been road safety. So when we promote motorsports, we promote road safety. So number one yan in my list. Number two is disaster risk reduction. We have delivered 20,000 fire extinguishers in the whole district. Parañaque, in the first district. So the plan is for Abby to continue. So you could just imagine, kunyari, 50,000 fire extinguishers in one district. So actually, nabawasan na talaga yung mga sunog namin in our district. Kasi may panlaban na. May panlaban. It's a full kit with whistle, flashlight, anybody can carry it. So for the longest time nabawasan kami ng big na mga ganyan. So among others ganyan, kami yung proponent ng no contact policy with the traffic. I felt so bad when Supreme Court decided to lift it. But in the beginning it was really good. So
What's different with the motorsport carnival in this time around? Kasi last year, di ba, we were also there.
If you remember, way back 2023, we announced that we're gonna wake up a sleeping giant. So, a sleeping giant is awake. It's big. It's a monster. It's hungry. It's thirsty. So the master plan for this year and the following years to come is to put the Philippines back to the world map of motorsport. So that's the target system. So we have prepared a few exciting events in preparation for international factor. So given time, we need this one to take off. When this one takes off, expect next year we'll do international events already. So we have the venue, we have the city in support of this. City Parañaque LGU is here supporting motorsports. We're supporting the sport, road safety, tourism, and everything that follows. So, kami excited. Simple lang ang layout. We want the exciting races in the heart of Metro Manila. Okada being the major sponsor of this event. And proud kami to be part of it. And we found the home of motorsport in the city of Parañaque. We found a home as a venue from the biggest integrated resort casino in the country, which is Okada Manila. And together with Ricky Diliaco, our legendary champion race car driver, together I think we can achieve it. Ano siya eh. So simple setup. We're bringing back the fun in Metro Manila and the excitement of motorsport. step by step, we'll get there, and we'll promote it as much as we can.
So this is just the second year in Paranaque?
Yeah,
Second year.
John, bring us back to that time when you first got hooked with motor racing, and who introduced that to you, and how did you
How
get
long
hooked to
ago?
it?